Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide repost on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and click on profile in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right. Click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on privacy. But once you check, there is no option to hide. So how you can do that? So let me go, and here you can see the repost tab. You simply need to click on the repost video and click on this share icon. So here you can see remove repost. So once you click on that, your repost video will be removed out from that tab. So this is the only method possible that you can remove your repost from your repost tab, and then your repost videos will be hidden on TikTok on your profile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.